spin the spindle, and then we're gonna run it like if the program was there, if the
Okay.
part was there. So if I hit start now, you can see that starts moving.
Right.
The turret. Okay. If the part was in there, it'd be running. Right now we're running coolant, but we'll shut that off.
Thank you.
So right now it's bringing in a center drill. We're drilling the part to bring our quill in. So just bring it in a little bit.
Yeah, okay, now got it. Thank you.
So now that it's reached that, it's gonna go back and grab the quill, so you can see it.
Okay.
With the turret itself. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. It's skimming. So it just switched to a different tool.
Right.
So now it's skimming our part. So now it's bringing that same tool again to kind of drill it once more again, because we ran that facer. So there's like, not chips, but there's burr on it.
Right.
Cleaning it up now.
Is that with the live milling that we're using?
Oh, that's still just your regular
Okay.
one. The live mill will come out towards the end of the
Okay. About how long till we get to that?
I'll stop it after this so you can see how
Okay.
that works.
All right.
Right now it's going to
Perfect.
go up. You're going to
Okay.
grab the quill.
Yeah.
And that is at full speed. You can change it. It'll drop it down to about like 10%.
Okay. Now we're towing the
It's bringing the
tail
quill
stack.
in.
Yep.
Or the tail stack, yep.
Yep.
Now it's not going to work because there's obviously no part in there and needs pressure in there to know that it makes the connection.
Okay.
So it's probably going to air out on me and say that there's no part in there.
All right.
But it brings it out.
Good.
Put parts in there to push it in.
Good.
So right there, probably gonna air out. So right there, gave me an error saying obviously there's no part.
Sure.
So I'll bring that back out, and then I'll show you the live quick.
Thank you.